and ladies, the art of juggling. Listen to them cut the air. Punk juggling before they invented punk. Ouch, oh, ow, ow, oh, God, this hurts. I hate doing that trick. Oh, no. I'm getting out of control. Help me! Whoa! It's a joke. Juggling before they invented radio. Here goes. Thunderous applause. Please sit down. Now, what you've all been waiting for, juggling on a unicycle. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Thank you kindly. Juggling on a unicycle. So much talent, so much talent. Monoroto equilibrium. Wrong way. Uh-oh. The one wheelie wheelie. This is a difficult one. One.
Bravo, 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 Tony. Very amusing.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Did you like it? No smile on his face. Wait a second. Sausages in his ear and a pickle in your ear. It's a tough audience. Want to see my grand finale?
Oh, please.
Juggling on the unicycle at the same time. Oh, boy. 10 years to learn how to do this. 10 years. 10 years. Wasn't worth it. Thank you very much. See you later.
My son, not even the royal jester has been able to make you smile. Tony, you're fired.
Perhaps, My Highness, what he needs is not to be entertained, but to have some friends.
You know, my dear, I've been thinking. I think that what he needs is not so much to be entertained, but to have some friends.
I wish I'd said that.
I've got it. Let's have a big party for him. Send my royal messengers all over the kingdom. Invite everyone who's anybody.
An invitation arrived at Cinderella's house, and her 2.5 ugly stepsisters were tickled pink about going to the ball.
Mirror, mirror on the table, who has the best designer label?
I love you, a bushel and a peck, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck, a hug around the neck, and a barrel and a heap, a barrel and a heap, and I'm talking in my sleep about you, about you, about you. 'Cause I love you, a bushel and a peck, you bet your pretty neck I do. Doodle-doodle-doo, doodle-doodle-doo, doodle-doodle-doo.
I love you, a bushel and a peck, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around, a hug around, a hug around the neck, and a barrel and a heel, and a barrel and a heap, and I'm talking in my sleep about you.
About me?
About me, the cows and chickens are going to the dickens, 'cause I
darling, we look marvelous. Oh, don't we just? Tra-la-la, off to the ball. And don't forget, Cinderelephant, make sure you do all of your chores.
Cinderelephant dreamed about going to the party.
There you are! And a table for two, are we? Well, let me tell you something, my dear. There are four of you. The prince, your big feet, and you. Oh, from your ankles on up, you sure are sweet, but from there down, baby, you're just too much feet. Oh, your feet's too big. The prince won't want you because your feet's too big. We're wild about you, my dear, but your feet's too big. We all love you, but your feet's too big. You know, the prince might like you. He might think you're rather nice. He might say, you got what it takes to get you to paradise. Oh, he'll like your face and he'll dig your rig, but then he'll look at them. Your feet's too big. Oh, your feet's too big. We all love you, but your feet's too big. The prince won't want you because your feet's too big. We all love you, but your feet's too big. Will you stop that? Your pedal extremities are colossal. To me, you look just like a fossil. You've got me walking, talking, squawking, but your feet's too big. Oh, no, I won't go anywhere with you because your feet's too big. No, I won't even get in the room next to you because your feet's too big. Look at you. Spread all over the floor. Oh, your feet's too big. I'm trying to pouch you, but your feet's too big. Can't go anywhere with you. Your feet's too big. We all love you, but your feet's too big. Ah! How could you do that to me? Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ah, you may be wondering who I am. I am your fairy godfather, and I am here to help you go to the prince's ball.
Cinderelephant was delighted, but had nothing to wear.
You have nothing to wear. That's no problem. I'm going to make you look spiffy. My wand. Thank you. Well, let's take the plunge. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, your feet. I admit they are a bit big-boned, but I think that a pair of glass slippers will make them look positively petite. And now to summon your coach. Bling.
Okay, Cinderelephant, you got the talent. You got the looks. You got the personality. Go to that ball. Win that prince. Rah, rah, rah. Sis, boom, ba. You can do it, Cinderelephant.
I didn't mean that kind of coach. Cinderelephant, remember, you must be home by midnight. By midnight. By midnight. By midnight. By midnight.
Stay in my arms, Cinderella. While the clock is striking, I'll hold you. At the stroke of 12, don't run away. Oh, can't you hear my heart? It begs you to.
Everybody, we're gonna do the hokey pokey. Oh, the hokey pokey. Oh, the hokey pokey. Oh, the hokey pokey. And that's why
remember, you must be home by midnight.